At certain points in this course, you'll be working on a site that's already been built, or importing text or graphics into your own site. If you are a premium member of lynda.com online training library, or if you're watching this tutorial on a DVD-ROM, you have access to the exercise files used throughout this title. However, there are no exercise files until late in Chapter 3, at which time you will have already installed MAMP or WAMP and the Drupal package itself. Most videos have only one exercise file, a text file that contains the MySQL database. You install this file into your Drupal site using the utility phpMyAdmin, which is installed as part of the MAMP package for Mac or WAMP package for Windows. For details on that process, watch the videos Installing MAMP or Installing WAMP. If you can't install the phpMyAdmin program or choose not to, you'll have to populate the database using another method, such as other MySQL utilities or MySQL's command line interface, but we'll show you how to do it using phpMyAdmin. To open phpMyAdmin, open MAMP or WAMP, whichever you have installed on your computer. From there, click on Open Start Page, and then the phpMyAdmin link. If you've already installed an exercise file, or if you started building a Drupal site, you'll have to drop your existing database. To do so, go over to the Database pop-up menu, select Drupal, and then click on Drop. It will give you a warning that you're going to destroy the entire database. Make sure that you want to do this, and back up that database if you have any information in it you'd like to keep. But we don't, so we'll click on OK. The database has now been dropped. Now we're going to import the exercise file. To do so, scroll down to the bottom of the screen where you have this choice, Import. Click on it, and then go up to Choose File and click on that button. From there, navigate to the exercise file you'd like to use. We're going to go to Chapter 10, the first video, and import that database. We click on the file and click on Choose. Scroll to the bottom of this screen and click on Go. If the database import has been successful, you'll see a message up here that says so. If not, you'll see a message that says that. The most common problem is forgetting to drop the previous database. Now let's go back to our site and see what it looks like. We reload the page, and we can see that our importation of the exercise file has been successful. Occasionally, a video will have other types of exercise files. Graphics files are included whenever we add them to our sample site in the video. Of course, you're welcome to use your own, although I recommend you make them the same size and file type as those provided. Text files are included whenever we create content on the site, so you don't have to do much typing. In either case, we'll show you what to do with them during the course of the video. Once again, before you use an exercise file, keep in mind that dropping the database deletes nearly all the content on your Drupal site, including articles you've written, blocks you've laid out, and modifications to the site's design. If you've created anything that you want to keep, be sure to back up the database first. We show you how to do so in the video, Backing Up Your Drupal Site. If you are a monthly subscriber or annual subscriber to lynda.com, you don't have access to the exercise files, but you can follow along from scratch or with your own assets. Now that you can find and load the example files, you'll move through the course more quickly and completely. Refer back to this video if you have any problems, and just to reiterate, watch the session about backing up a site and restoring it from backup once you start building a site whose loss would cause you problems.